Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to reset app preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And now we have to scroll in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on all apps and three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on Reset App Preferences, and here your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so among others disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on Reset Apps and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.